Hey guys, welcome to TEC X. This channel had been pretty inactive for a long time, maybe for too long, but from this year I am thinking of putting content and making it active again. Though this channel doesn't have too many subscribers yet, but still, one of my videos got view really out of my expectation. The video in which I break the record score of a mobile game called Stack with the help of a simple robot controlled by an Arduino. It's an old game that most people probably have forgotten, but the video is still doing good for some reason. The video has around 80k plus views as of today. This made me think that I should again start putting content on this channel and make it active. And secondly, what I noticed is people really like DIY projects like the one I just showed. Fortunately, in the last few years when I didn't put any content, I got to work on a few projects, interesting DIY projects like this. So there's a lot of content to put up on this channel. If you have noticed, this channel currently has kind of like a mixture of content, like the troubleshooting guide, unboxing of stuff, gameplays of various games, and a lot more. Going forward with this channel, I have thought of continuing this kind of mixture of videos from different domains. Because apart from just the content that you get by seeing each of these videos, the mixture of content helps to portray how a programmer's life really looks as a whole. Because that is what I really am. I am an enthusiastic programmer, working on cool stuff. This I believe is important for this channel. That being said, I will try to maintain a structure while putting the videos, like separating into different playlists maybe. And there are 4 things this channel would mainly focus on. But before taking a look at them, have a look at the new intro for this channel. Hope you like the new logo design and the intro, and hopefully this would give this channel a fresh start. So coming back to the 4 points of focus, firstly, there would be pure programming videos that would be mostly around the Flutter SDK, videos on DIY projects that would show you how to build that thing as well as show the software side of it, which I think was a bit lacking on this channel. For example, that project of Stack Robot didn't have that project walkthrough or how the code works. I am also into UI UX design a bit, so there will also be videos on implementing various complex app designs. Lastly, there will also be some fun videos on gameplays. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for notification about the next videos. Thanks for watching and hope to see you at the next one.